Hi friends, welcome to learnstep.com. Today we are going to see about Enpass. Enpass is an open source and multi-platform password manager. It is also available for mobile platforms. It allows the user to store important credentials and online accounts in safe and best way. Enpass uses SQL Cipher for AES encryption of database files. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install Enpass on Pop! OS. For installing Enpass, you have to add a repository in a source list file. After adding a repository, now we are going to add a key for that repository. This is the command to add a key. After adding a key, now we are going to update the repository using a command apt-get update. After updating a repository, now we are going to install Enpass using a command apt-get install Enpass. After installing Enpass, to check, go to activities and then type Enpass. It shows the application icon. Just click the icon to open. It will open an application. It asks for a user. If you have already an account, click restore my existing account, or else give a new Enpass user. Give the password and then click done and then click got it. It will open the Enpass application. Using the application, we can easily save our credentials and official bank details securely. This is about Enpass. I hope this video will get you knowledge about how to install Enpass on Pop! OS. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.